Is your PS5 controller analog stick drifting? Is it annoying you while you try to play your favorite games? In this video, we will go over 3 ways to fix this issue and get you back to gaming as soon as possible. Method number 1. Reset your PS5 controller. Your PS5 controller could simply have a software problem. Don't worry, this is a really easy fix. Go grab yourself a paperclip and hit the reset button on the back of your PS5 controller. The reset button is located next to the Sony logo on the back of your PS5 controller. Hold it down for 3 to 5 seconds. Now, connect your PS5 controller to your PS5 console using the charging cable and hold down the PlayStation button. Your controller will again sync with your PS5 console. Try playing your favorite game to see if this helped. Method number 2. Clean out dust and debris. Pull the analog sticks towards you, creating a gap between the analog stick and the controller. Blow into the gap so you can remove any dust or debris that may be stuck. Ensure you do this from all angles. So turn the analog stick to the left, right, up, and down. Now, push down on both analog sticks and rotate them counterclockwise 5 times. Now stop and ensure you push down on both analog sticks again and rotate them clockwise 5 times. Method number 3. Repair your PS5 controller. If the previous methods didn't help, you will need to take apart your PS5 controller to repair it. We included a link in the description in case you're interested. However, if you don't feel comfortable doing so, or you're simply too lazy, we have linked the best price for a brand new PS5 controller through Amazon in the description below. Let us know if this video helped you out in the comment section below. And if you appreciated this video, please, we'd be grateful if you hit the like button. And if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to the channel.